Here's the Carrier Round 1 air conditioner at my aunt's condo complex. Once again, I'm here. But I'm not going to film every unit here, only the interesting units such as this. So this is a Carrier Round 1. I'm not sure the exact model of what this was called, but as you can see, it's one of these brown round style ones, even though this is not, clearly not brown. It's got the top there. And I'm pretty sure it has a Copeland reciprocating compressor. You can even see it down in there. And the spine fin condenser coil. I'm not gonna do a startup. Actually, I might do a startup later, but yeah, here's the data. It's a 2.5 ton. Not sure of the year at the moment though. I'll have to decode that. And there's this old style logo. And there's all that. So yeah, and then there over here is this one, and then a York Latitude. So there's the data on this one. It's also a 2.5 ton, and this one actually has a replacement motor. And there is one more over here. There's the American Standard heat pump. And the Bryant heat pump. Smaller one. This one hasn't been used in a while, it looks like. Top is faded. This one's a 2 ton, I believe. Yeah. Looks like there's an 85 in the serial number. Don't think that's the year though. I think it has to be decoded in a certain way because the serial on my aunt's unit says 57 if you saw that. But anyways, yeah, these 3 Carrier Round 1 air conditioners. Thanks for watching.